So, here's what's been going on is we just got finished watching the movie Jumanji, the new one that came out, and it was really good. In case you haven't seen it, I won't spoil anything. All I'm going to say is Jack Black's a girl. Well, Jack Black is a guy, but the girl turned into Jack Black. That's all I'm going to say. That doesn't ruin the story at all. And if you couldn't tell, the camera is the only place on my screen that does had a technical difficulty there, and the recording stopped. I'm gonna make this vlog short and sweet. I'll show you what's been going on, which means I don't need that light on. I was gonna do a longer vlog, but I'm having some technical problems, so we're gonna run through here and get water dripped on us. I shouldn't be out here in the water with a tablet, but my camera is dead, so there you can see the remote, the Dish Network remote. Okay, you saw that. With all this rain, the truck's sinking into the water. Let me rephrase that. The truck is sinking into the ground, as you can see there. I'm going to make sure it's not leaking, actually, because the seal is all messed up. Nope, looks good. Okay, let's go back inside before my tablet shorts out and or runs out of space for storage. The rain doesn't bother me at all, but holding a technological device. Oh, and I need to get the mail. I think. I guess I'll find out. This is a weird vlog. You want me to get the mail? Oh. Okay. Okay. Papa did not get the mail. It's a misunderstanding, a miscommunication. I don't know why I said that twice, but I did, so whatever. Oh, isn't that nice? There ain't any. That's good. That's alright, I guess. Whoa. The yard is washing up over the sidewalk and burying it in mud. That's nice. I'm gonna end this vlog now, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.